All you futurists mark September 19th on your calendars. That's when Faraday Future is hosting its 919 Futurist Day and Shareholders Day at its Los Angeles headquarters. The event will showcase the FX Super One's product features, provide insights into its Middle East launch and delivery plan, and review milestones from recent co-creation and sales events. It will also discuss the company's cryptocurrency initiatives, including the C10 and Crypto Strategic Business Plan and Roadmap for Capital Value Realization. The event marks the one-year anniversary of Faraday Future's FX strategy and will include an exclusive immersive experience of the FX Super One. Additionally, the company will announce the product deployment strategy for the FFAI ecosystem vehicle chain. Financially speaking, Faraday Future's co-CEO YT Jia recently made a second stock purchase under a 10b5-1 plan, investing approximately $180,000, and stated he invested his signing bonus back into the company. Faraday Future has allocated $2 million to its C10 treasury in cryptocurrency coins and will hold a special meeting of stockholders on September 19th to seek approval for proposals, including increasing shares available under its equity incentive plan. Elsewhere in the EVscape, Bollinger Innovations announced what's being called a significant sale of 30 commercial EVs to Ziegler Truck Group, Range Truck Group, DB Schenker, and Larson Enterprises, valued at $1,074,000. The vehicles include 20 Class 1 urban delivery EV cargo vans, 6 Class 3 urban utility EV trucks, and 4 Class 4 all-electric Bollinger B4 trucks. Full payment has been received from DB Schenker, and payment from Ziegler and Range Truck Groups is expected by September 30th. While 2 Bollinger B4 trucks were delivered to Larson Enterprises on August 29th, according to Jim Connolly, Chief Revenue Officer of Bollinger Innovations and Bollinger Motors, Bollinger Motors continues to deliver vehicles at an increased rate, with vehicles being shipped now and through the quarter ending September 30th, 2025. The demand for our EV product lineup continues to build as our vehicles hit the street and get into our customers' hands. Bollinger's CEO, David Meschery, praised the sales team's performance, stating that the recent restructuring has led to strong results in a short period with a more efficient, lower-cost model. This restructuring is leading to additional cost-cutting measures to reduce operating expenses, including staff cuts and facility closures. The company has reduced its general and administrative and research and development expenses by 61% to $18.6 million per quarter, down from $47.7 million in the quarter ending June 30th, 2025. The cost-cutting initiatives include eliminating third-party manufacturing with Roush Industries and consolidating the B4 production line to the company's owned plant in Tunica, Mississippi. The company has also further reduced staff and eliminated facilities in Irvine, California, Monrovia, California, and Mishawaka, Indiana. According to David Meschery, CEO and chairman of Bollinger Innovations, the company has identified additional efficiencies under its new streamlined operations and is focused on selling commercial vehicles and advancing the company forward. Then, just in time for back to school, zSpace and the Glimpse Group have partnered to launch the Medical Assisting Skills Virtual Trainer, a software application that enables students to practice 33 essential clinical and administrative skills in a virtual environment. This immersive training solution aims to address the critical shortage of healthcare workers by providing a safe, cost-effective, and engaging way for students to build confidence and master skills. The virtual trainer is designed for nursing and allied health programs and supports Certified Medical Assistant (AAMA) standards, offering unlimited practice opportunities for students in both classroom and remote learning settings. By combining zSpace's interactive learning platform with Glimpse's development expertise, the partnership equips students with hands-on skills needed for high-demand careers. According to Paul Kellenberger, CEO of zSpace, the partnership delivers a scalable solution addressing the healthcare worker shortage. Craig Herndon, Director of Strategic Alliances at Glimpse, emphasized the collaboration's commitment to applying immersive technology innovation to workforce development and healthcare education. The software application is now available to schools, technical centers, and higher education institutions across the U.S., with personalized demonstrations available on zSpace's website. In cybersecurity, SEALSQ is expanding its Semiconductor Personalization Center, a state-of-the-art facility that securely deploys trusted chips and quantum-resistant devices for critical industries worldwide. The center uniquely programs and customizes each chip with its own cryptographic identity, ensuring they're authenticated, tamper-resistant, and safe to operate in digital ecosystems. The Semiconductor Personalization Center provides several vital functions like key injection and secure identity provisioning, post-quantum security integration, and customization at scale for various sectors like smart home, IoT, automotive, healthcare, and defense. It also supports SEALSQ's zSpace initiative by personalizing semiconductors for satellite constellations to ensure secure space and ground infrastructure communications. SEALSQ operates under a Common Criteria Certified Environment, CCEL 5+, guaranteeing the highest security standards and end-to-end traceability to protect customers from counterfeit risks and ensure regulatory compliance. The company plans to develop facilities in multiple locations, including Murcia, Spain, Arizona, USA, and Abu Dhabi, UAE, to provide sovereign, quantum-resistant security solutions. These centers will be interconnected through the Quantum Corridor, SEALSQ's secure global infrastructure, allowing personalized chips to securely interoperate and distributing quantum-ready identities across a resilient infrastructure. This setup enables clients to access SEALSQ's personalization and security services with low latency, sovereignty, and scalability. SEALSQ's CEO, Carlos Moreira, emphasizes that the Personalization Center is crucial for a trusted digital economy, ensuring a chain of trust resilient to quantum threats and aligned with digital sovereignty requirements. SEALSQ has also established a new entity in Singapore, dedicated to creating a post-quantum semiconductor personalization center, which will strengthen its Asian semiconductor supply chain and accelerate post-quantum secure chip development. This expansion will leverage RISC-V technology for chip design and localized secure manufacturing, adhering to international security certifications. This adds to the case for growth in regulated industries requiring quantum-resistant security solutions, particularly with its compliance with NIST post-quantum standards and alignment with U.S. policy initiatives like the CHIPS Act. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.